Hello science lovers. In this video I've told 16 interesting facts about Sun plus one bonus fact. So watch till the last. So without wasting time, let's get to the video. Number 1. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in the solar system. It has a mass of around 330,000 times that of Earth. It is 3/4 hydrogen and the most of its remaining mass is helium. Number 2. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. If you were to fill a hollow Sun with spherical Earths, somewhere around 960,000 would fit inside. However, if you squashed those Earths to ensure there was no wasted space, then you could fit 1,300,000 piles of Earth inside the Sun. The surface area of the Sun is 11,990 times that of Earth. Number 3. One day the Sun will consume the Earth. The Sun will continue to burn for about 130 million years after it burns through all of its hydrogens, instead of burning helium. During this time it will expand to such a size that it will swallow Mercury and Earth. When it reaches this point, it will have become a red giant star. Number 4. The energy created by the Sun's core is nuclear fusion. This huge amount of energy is produced when 4 hydrogen nuclei are combined into one helium nucleus. Number 5. The Sun is almost a perfect sphere. Considering the sheer size of the Sun, there is only a 10 kilometers difference in its polar and equatorial diameters, and this makes it the closest thing to a perfect sphere observed in nature. Number 6. The Sun is traveling at 220 kilometers per second. It is around 24,000 to 26,000 light years from the galactic center, and it takes the Sun approximately 225–250 million years to complete one orbit of the center of the Milky Way. Number 7. The Sun will eventually be about the size of Earth. Once the Sun has completed its red giant phase, it will collapse. Its huge mass will be retained, but it will have a volume similar to that of Earth. When that happens, it will be known as a white dwarf. Number 8. It takes 8 minutes for light to reach Earth from the Sun. The average distance from the Sun to the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, so dividing one by the other gives you 500 seconds and 8 minutes and 20 seconds. This energy can reach Earth in mere minutes, but it takes millions of years to travel from the Sun and its core to its surface. Number 9. The Sun is halfway through its life. At 4.5 billion years old, the Sun has burned off around half of its hydrogen stores and is enough left to continue burning hydrogen for another 5 billion years. Currently, the Sun is a yellow dwarf star. Number 10. The distance between Earth and Sun changes. This is because the Earth travels on an elliptical orbit path around the Sun. The distance between the two ranges from 147 to 152 million kilometers. This distance between them is 1 astronomical unit, AU. Number 11. The Sun rotates in the opposite direction to Earth, with the Sun rotating from west to east instead of east to west like Earth. Number 12. The Sun rotates more quickly at its equator than it does close to its poles. This is known as differential rotation. Number 13. The Sun has a powerful magnetic field. When magnetic energy is released by the Sun during magnetic storms, solar flares occur, which we see on Earth as sunspots. Sunspots are dark areas on the Sun's surface caused by magnetic variations. The reason they appear dark is due to their temperature being much lower than surrounding areas. Number 14. Temperatures inside the Sun can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Energy is generated through nuclear fusion in the Sun's core. This is when hydrogen converts to helium, and because objects generally expand, the Sun would explode like an enormous bomb if it wasn't for its tremendous gravitational pull. Number 15. The Sun generates solar winds. These are ejections of plasma, extremely hot charged particles, that originate in the layer of the Sun known as the corona, and they can travel through the solar system at up to 450 kilometers per second. Number 16. The atmosphere of the Sun is composed of 3 layers: the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. Number 17. It is a main sequence star with surface temperatures between 5000 and 5700 degrees Celsius. Number 18. The aurora borealis and aurora australis are caused by the interaction of solar winds with Earth's atmosphere. Bonus fact: our Sun does not have an official scientific name. It does have another common name, Sol. This name originates from the ancient Romans god of the sun, Sol. This alternate name is where we get the term solar system, which literally means a system of the sun.